Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to dive into the fascinating world of color theory. So, what exactly is color theory? Color theory is the study of how colors visually and psychologically affect the mind. It's all about understanding how colors work together, how they influence our emotions, and how we can use them to create captivating artworks. Let's start with hue. Hue is the pure base version of the color without any changes in brightness or darkness. It's what you get when you think of a color like red, blue, or yellow. Saturation. Saturation refers to how vibrant or dull a color appears. A highly saturated color is vivid and intense, like a bright red, while a low saturated color is more muted, such as a dull gray. Value. Value is all about the darkness or lightness of a color. When we talk about value, we're referring to how dark or light a color appears. This concept encompasses both shade, which indicates darkness, and tint, which denotes lightness. Complementary colors. Another important aspect of color theory is complementary colors. These are colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel, such as red and green, blue and orange, or yellow and purple. Complementary colors create a strong contrast and visual interest when used together. They can make each other appear more vibrant and create dynamic compositions. And there you have it, a brief introduction to color theory. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow artists. Thanks for watching and happy exploring with color theory.